Good morning, friends. So, today morning I woke up with lots of messages from students like, Ma'am, exam is at approachable days, and we are facing various issues like stress, anxiety, lack of sleep. And this is very common. We all go through this. Even I have gone through this. And one of the most disturbing message which I got is that, Ma'am, I am getting continuous taunts from my family. That disbelief, that lack of confidence is also quite normal. I'll tell you my story. Even after failing various attempts, the same thing happened. We everybody go through this. But I would like to encourage you that even if nobody is there to stand for you, see, no matter how good you be, how confident you be, how many revisions you have done this, but if you don't be confident and firm determined enough, you have already lost it. So you have to be strong. Even if nobody stands for you, you have to do yourself for it, because remember, everybody will be there to appreciate when you will clear, but very few, trust me, very few will be there who would encourage you. This that no, don't stress so much. I believe in you. I know you can do it. And I would like to be part of that very few. I would like to encourage you that even if nobody is there for you, I'm always there. I'm just a text away. Everything and anything related to exam, these anxiety issues, these fear of lacking out, this fear of failure, I have gone through this. And that is the reason I am encouraging you that this too shall pass. And don't worry, there is nothing to stress about it. Trust me, it is just a phase. So if you want to know what is the correct approach, what you have to do to get out of this, I'm just a text away. You can always contact me on the below given number. All the best for your exams. Keep revising.